Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at eBay Motors again for a 22 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, and it's done 3 miles. It's on and it's black, 4-wheel drive crew cab, Eco Ecotech 3.3 5.3 litre V8. So that's what it is. So it's a V8 engine. Yeah, see. V8 engine on this, fuel type gasoline, so she's a gas guzzler, so that but I suppose some people like this sort of thing, so it's probably got plenty of grunt. It's done 3 miles. It's 4-wheel drive. Yep, it's got a like I said, it's got a crew cab, so 5 people can fit in this. Sonic's black, interior is black, jet black. So yeah, that's what it is. It is what it is. Not sure about that. Anything else about this though? Because there's not very much details here. 10-speed automatic. So there you go. There you go. There's some details here for that. So it's got a 10-speed automatic in it. It's jet black, like with performance leather. So performance leather. So there you go. It's got our leather upholstery. So front outboard and seat trim and ABS brakes, alloy wheels. So there's all the extras there. Plus there's a little bit of, and it's via Moga dealers or to see a discount. Yeah. Well, and it's from its regular price is $69,195 US, $750 off road. So you got to put on do on road costs, of course, because it's a new vehicle. So that's just the way that goes. So yeah, there's some few pictures here of this. Nice looking vehicle. Here they are. There it is. There. Another one. Another one. There's a side view of it. Shows, like I said, twin cab. See, alloy wheels. Nice alloy wheels on this one. Yeah. There's it. GMC Denali. GMC means General Motors Corporation, so that's who makes it. So yeah, another one from the rear. There's your rear. You can get a cover for that. You can put a box on the back of that. You can do whatever you want. These are optional extras that you can get for these utes. Yeah, another one, and another one there. Nice truck, nice utility. Yeah. So someone 4-wheel drive as well, so you can take it off road and everything like that if you like. Yeah. So there we are. There you have it. A little bit of front view. Now we've got front tyres. Yep. Benelli. As stated, Benelli. Yeah, Benelli. Sierra Benelli. Sierra Denali. Sorry, I get my P's and Q's work mixed up, but that's all right. Just walking through this. That's what I'm doing. That's a GMC Denali. See. Yeah. Good size mirrors. An overall nice truck, a nice solid truck, and V8 as well. And it's automatic, 10-speed automatic. There you go, see right there. Black upholstery. Black interior. Yep. Lots of extras. Yeah, there's the rear compartment. There's 3 people in the rear back. Yep, and then there's the doors with the door pockets and everything else. You know, it's just a nice truck. It's all not, you know, all fitted out. And there's your cab. There's your tray right there. You can stick your fishing gear and all the way, you know. Yeah. And there's the other side of the interior. So you got speakers. So you got surround sound on this thing as well. So yeah, very good, very nice truck. Yeah, very nice indeed. Yep, very nice truck. And it's the speakers again. And the doors. A lot of inside photos here showing you the black upholstery and everything like that. Now some buttons and stuff. And the dash. Yeah, you got buttons on the steering wheel as well, where you can do all sorts of things, all sorts of gadgets. You see, right there. You see these icons are all doing sorts of gadgets you can do. Yep. And then on the other side, same. Yeah. Nice truck anyway. You know, this is how it is. Brand new. You know, out of the box, so ready for it to go to a good home for anybody who wants it. Yep. I guess that's just how it is. But you know, I'm doing this, but you know, I'm probably going to stop because you know, these don't last long. You know, there's the automatic. It's automatic, so you know, 10-speed automatic. Yeah, they don't last long, so I'll probably move on to something else at the end of the day because this is not going to work. It's not going to work long enough. There's your rear view mirror, glare, anti-glare mirror. Yep. You know, we're back to the beginning again, which is the first one, which is, you know, yeah, there we go. So that's the end of that. So you've got your listings here and your what it is: 4-wheel drive, crew cab, 10-speed automatic, 4-wheel drive, gasoline, eco, Teco 3.5 3-litre V8, Tech 3 5.3-litre V8. So it's a small V8. Yeah, 5.3 litre, 5-litre V8. So yeah, it's not a big V8. So but it's gasoline. So you know, with the gas prices now, you know, that would be kind of a bit of a strain on the pocket, I should think. Yeah, it would be a bit. But anyway, that's my take on that. On that 22 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Right, okay, so that's my take on it. And if you like this video, click the like button. If you want to see more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.